Welcome to the first lowdown of September, everybody. I am Robert Rosenfeld, and welcome back to the show that's going beyond the headlines and breaking down the tech news and giving you the info you really need to know every Tuesday and every Thursday. Today, we've got some new images of the Pixel 3, and what it doesn't have may surprise you. Also, the OnePlus 6T is shaping up to be one exciting phone, and a bendable Samsung phone is coming, and sooner than we originally thought. We've got a ton of news to unpack today, so let's get started with it all. Here's the lowdown. We've covered the Pixel 3 XL leaks pretty extensively here on the lowdown, but what we haven't seen photos of before is its smaller counterpart, the Pixel 3. Photos surfaced a few days ago allegedly showcasing the new Pixel 3, and would you look at that, there is no notch in sight. The phone looks very similar in design to its bigger brother, the 3 XL. It's got the same frosted matte material for wireless charging on the back, it's got a fingerprint reader, but this device would have a smaller 5.5-inch display with the typical bezels around it. And we're not sure if this phone would have the same front-facing technology for super selfies or the rumored hardware Face ID competitor, but it's very likely it can all be packed in there, just built into the bezels and no notch. Google has taken a lot of heat for the 3 XL, a phone that still has not even officially been released, so it's really interesting to see what the company will eventually end up saying when the phones are officially released. And speaking of officially being released, that Google event is set to take place in New York City sometime in early October, and I'm curious what you guys have to say about these leaks. I've heard a lot about the Pixel 3 XL. What are your thoughts on the smaller Pixel 3? If you had to choose between two of the phones, which one would you choose and why? Is the notch a deal breaker? Is the smaller one better? Which would you choose? Leave a comment down below and let us know for your chance to be featured in the next episode of Lowdown. And I wonder what John thinks about all this.
We are going to see how badly people want a good camera and stock Android, because those phones be ugly. Ugly by pixel standards, which is like a whole other level of ugly. Oh, but those cameras so good, and Android Pie is so nice.
That was pretty cool. Thanks so much for the cameo, John. And by the way, guys, let me fill you in on a little secret. Today's John's birthday, so send him a tweet, wish him happy birthday. He'll appreciate it. The long-rumored Samsung phone with a bendable display may finally become reality in just a few months. Samsung CEO DJ Ko reportedly hinted that the device may be showcased at the company's developer conference in November, though it may not be available for consumers just yet. The rumored new Galaxy Note phone would have a 7-inch bendable OLED display as its main attraction, and presumably it'll be packed with powerful specs to accompany that tablet-sized phone that can fold down into a purse or a pocket. Unfortunately, that's all we really know about this phone right now. It's been rumored for years. We've seen concept videos and prototype render drawings, but this would officially be the real deal where Samsung may actually take the wraps off it and show it off to everybody, but we don't know if it's going to be a full-on demo of the phone that can be purchased right now, or just an early look at a proof of concept that may be available sometime soon or sometime in the future. We know the OnePlus 6T is coming soon, and some new leaks are giving us some insight into what this phone is shaping up to look like, and it looks extremely interesting. Alleged photos claim to show the retail box for the new OnePlus 6T, showcasing the phone's teardrop notch and in-display fingerprint reader. The two features are what many fans have long been clamoring for, and if true, the 6T would be one of the only phones to have this fan favorite combo. And also, if you think about it, the rumors may not be too far off. This might be totally plausible. We know OnePlus's parent company Oppo recently revealed the F9, and it's got that same teardrop notch we could see on this phone, and though Vivo is the most notorious company for their under-display fingerprint tech, we know many other companies are working on doing the same thing for their own fleet of smartphones, with Oppo being among them. The OnePlus 6T is set to officially become available sometime this fall, and we'll get all the details on this new phone and see if those leaks are true or not. On the last episode of the Lowdown, Galaxy X had some thoughts on Apple's upcoming event, simply saying this: updated MacBook Air, please. Now more than ever, it looks like this new budget MacBook Air is going to officially become reality, but Apple is notorious for holding off on Mac hardware upgrades for their own separate events, so don't expect them next week, but look out for some time this fall. All right, everybody, that's all I've got for the Lowdown today. Thank you, as always, for watching, and thank John again for his cameo in today's Lowdown. Let us know if you guys want to see more of John in the Lowdown. That's all I've got for today. I'll be back here on Thursday to talk more tech news. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you then.